The River Shannon is an immense natural resource for our country, but as the frequency and intensity of flooding has risen over the past number of years, it is clear we need a wide range of measures to help protect vulnerable communities alongside its banks. This bill addresses concerns outlined by various community groups and aims to update old legislation in order to ensure full flexibility in setting water levels on Lough Allen, Lough Ree and Lough Derg. This will help ensure that decisions on water levels are made in conjunction with relevant bodies without any legal constraint, and will help to maintain an adequate safe water level. Essentially, the bill removes specific water levels from legislation and allows the ESB to continue to use its own expertise to set the levels in conjunction with other relevant bodies such as Waterways Ireland, the local authorities in the areas and indeed inland fisheries. This bill is not a silver bullet, and we acknowledge that, and there is no single solution to flooding along the Shannon. However, it has to form part of an overall package of measures designed to address difficulties communities along the Shannon have faced for many generations. We will be putting forward other bills as well, particularly in relation to a single River Shannon agency bill. For far too long, the communities along the River Shannon have suffered immensely, and I think it is time to rectify this, particularly now with the challenges we face in relation to climate action.